In the vast, unexplored depths of our oceans lives a creature so mysterious, so intelligent, and so alien that it has baffled scientists for centuries. Some call it a monster. Others, a marvel. But one thing's for sure, you've never truly met the octopus. Giant Pacific octopus, its tentacles moving hypnotically, changing colors. When you think of the ocean's scariest creatures, what comes to mind? Sharks? Jellyfish? Maybe even the ferocious-looking deep-sea anglerfish. But for many, one creature rises above the rest in mystery and fear: the octopus. With its 8 writhing arms, massive, expressionless eyes, and alien-like intelligence, the octopus has fueled myths, horror stories, and countless misunderstandings. But what if I told you this creature isn't the monster it's often made out to be? Giant octopuses dragging down ships. Ancient sailors used to fear these animals so deeply that they believed in a beast called the kraken, a monstrous octopus or squid so large it could drag ships down to the ocean's depths. But the truth behind these sea legends is even stranger, more incredible, and, perhaps, more inspiring. Octopus species. Let's meet the octopus as it really is. First, did you know that octopuses are incredibly intelligent? In fact, they might just be one of the smartest animals on Earth. Octopuses can solve puzzles, open jars, and even escape from aquariums. They can problem-solve their way through mazes, remember complex patterns, and even recognize individual people. This intelligence has earned them the nickname, the geniuses of the sea. But their minds work in ways we barely understand. For example, 2/3 of their neurons aren't even in their brains. Instead, they're in their arms, allowing each tentacle to move, sense, and react almost independently. And then there's their astounding ability to camouflage. In an instant, octopuses can change their skin color, texture, and even shape to blend seamlessly with their surroundings, eluding predators and surprising prey. Their camouflage is so advanced, they can mimic other animals, such as poisonous lionfish or even sea snakes. It's as if they're underwater chameleons, but much, much cooler. Octopuses interacting. And despite their often solitary nature, octopuses are far from emotionless. They've been known to show curiosity, affection, and yes, even playfulness. In labs, octopuses have been seen squirting water at researchers, playing with toys, and even developing individual personalities. Scientists believe they might even feel a range of emotions. In fact, some people have bonded so deeply with octopuses that they describe them as their friends. Perhaps you've heard of the story of My Octopus Teacher, where a man formed an unusual and touching bond with a wild octopus over a year, showing us a glimpse into the hidden emotional world of these creatures. Here caught in fishing nets or footage of a polluted ocean. But, despite their intelligence and beauty, octopuses are misunderstood and mistreated. Every year, millions of octopuses are caught as seafood. Pollution and climate change threaten their habitats. And because they're difficult to study, we know shockingly little about their lives in the wild. Scientists have only just begun to understand their behavior, social structures, and the secrets they hold. Could it be that we're missing something? Some intelligence, some wisdom, hidden beneath those waves, slowly disappearing before we even have a chance to understand it? A baby octopus swimming for the first time. Unlike almost any other animal, octopuses are born to die. Female octopuses have just one reproductive cycle in their lives, dedicating their entire selves to raising their young. They spend weeks, even months, without food, guarding their eggs until they hatch, and then, they die. It's a bittersweet life cycle that highlights their incredible dedication as parents. In their short lives, they experience intelligence, emotion, even playfulness, only to make the ultimate sacrifice for their offspring. So, what can we learn from these misunderstood creatures? Perhaps it's a reminder that intelligence, emotion, and even the will to protect one's young don't only exist on land. These creatures, who live in a world so different from ours, show us that life's mysteries run deep. To protect them, we need to respect them, to understand that they are so much more than what they seem. Octopus species in healthy coral reefs, swimming gracefully, surrounded by colorful marine life. Next time you see an octopus in the wild, remember, you're looking at a creature older than the dinosaurs, with a mind as curious as ours, and a spirit every bit as strong. We're only beginning to understand them, and who knows what they'll teach us in the years to come. If you found this journey into the world of the octopus as fascinating as I did, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most incredible creatures, and drop us a comment below. What do you think is the most mysterious part about octopuses? Let's keep exploring the wonders of nature together.